Hello everyone! Today I am going to show you how I do chemical removal. I am using magnum needle and also removal from ethanol mix. My speed on the machine is 5.5 and I am using my favorite rocket machine. This is a special case because we see that we have beautiful brows, but we can see some redness a little bit because the pigment was with a reddish undertone. So I would like to remove it, and we will use on a second session, we will use something a little bit cooler. Of course, I don't want to use a very cool undertone for my client because she is not, she doesn't have a melanin-rich skin, as you can see. So I prefer to use something neutral for her, with not a lot of carbon black inside the pigment formulation. Now I am working on the bottom line. Here, as you can see, we are removing powder brows technique. So I am using small movements, circle movements. And I am moving freely on the eyebrows. We are not using a lot of pressure. Make sure you are consistent with the movement and consistent with the pressure. Here, front of the brow is quite soft, so we don't have to work as much over here. And I think we can basically move to the other side. I'm going to stretch the skin a little bit more up to make sure I have a 90-degree angle, and with small circles we are applying this chemical removal solution into the skin. Now we are working on a tail and we are almost done. Next time I will show you how I do my clients' new eyebrows. And we are done. We will massage the bottom into my client's skin. Gentle and soft movements. Okay, now we are going to do the same on the other side. And I really cannot wait to see my client again. We will see each other in around 6 to 8 weeks. And we will show you how these brows healed.